This is not just an SUV, this is a supercar in disguise. 631 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds, and you can take the whole family with you. Let me show you the 2026 Audi RSQ8 Performance. Right away, this thing looks aggressive. You've got that massive single frame grille, finished in black, huge air intakes, and those sharp LED headlights that just stare you down. This one is finished in glacier white metallic, and it pops perfectly against all the blacked out RS details. Look at the stance, wide, low, purpose-built, and then you've got these massive 23-inch wheels wrapped in performance tires. Behind them, available ceramic brakes with red calipers. Not just for looks. These are built to stop all 631 horsepower with confidence. This coupe-style roofline gives it that sportback feel, but you still get SUV practicality. Frameless doors, gloss black accents, and that subtle RS aggression all the way through. And then the rear. This is where it gets serious. Full width LED light bar, aggressive diffuser, and those signature oval RS exhaust tips. When this thing starts up, you know exactly what it is. Under the hood, you've got a 4.0 liter twin turbo V8, 631 horsepower, 627 pound-feet of torque, quattro all-wheel drive, sport differential, adaptive air suspension. This isn't just fast in a straight line. This handles corners like something half its size. Now step inside and everything changes. This is where performance meets full luxury. You're surrounded by premium materials everywhere. This one has the black interior with red contrast stitching, and it just feels like an RS car the second you sit down. You've got RS sport seats, available massaging seats, and even heated front and rear seats. That Alcantara headliner adds that motorsport feel right above you. Alcantara steering wheel with paddle shifters, fully digital Audi virtual cockpit with RS displays, and dual touchscreen setup for your infotainment and climate controls. Everything is driver focused, everything is sharp. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system pushing over 1,900 watts, ambient lighting, and even soft closed doors. It's a full luxury experience, but with a serious edge. And don't forget, this is still an SUV. Plenty of space in the second row, climate control back here, and a large cargo area. You can daily drive this. No compromise. This specific build comes in with an MSRP around $157,000 and all in just under $188,000 plus HST with options like the carbon package, RS design package, and that Alcantara headliner. So yes, it's a premium vehicle, but you're getting one of the fastest SUVs in the world with full Audi luxury and everyday usability. So if you want to experience what 631 horsepower feels like in an SUV, you need to come see this in person. Come down to Audi Midtown Toronto, ask for me, and I'll get you behind the wheel.